the trace. This is the hatchet solar plate. The trace is corrosion. How to repair it? The trace is short. Only a little. First, remove the isolation painting here. Then you can see the root. Second, solder a little tin on the root. Third, use 0.1 毫米 enameled wire. Tint the enameled wire. Fourth, solder the tint enameled wire on the trace. Place the enameled wire at the chip pin position. Fifth, cut off excess enameled wire. Sixth, adjust the enameled wire to the right position.